Bergamot is a plant therapy favorite, and it will soon be one of yours too. Bergamot has a citrusy scent with a hint of floral, making it unique and vibrant. This uplifting essential oil not only smells amazing, it is jam-packed with incredible therapeutic properties. Bergamot is great for the skin. Use it to balance oily skin and battle teenage zits. Bergamot can also be used to ease tight muscles and provide respiratory support during times of seasonal illnesses. My top 3 favorite ways to use bergamot are: 1. In my personal inhaler. I will add a few drops of bergamot to ease worries during times of sadness or grief. Another way I like to use bergamot is topically, to balance my skin. I will put a few drops of bergamot in a teaspoon of grapeseed carrier oil and apply to my clean face to help balance my skin. And the third way I like to use bergamot is by diffusion. When seasonal illnesses come on, I will add a few drops to the diffuser to help relieve congestion so I can feel better faster. Here's an easy DIY body powder using bergamot that will make your skin feel silky and smooth. Plus, the aroma will help boost your mind and ease your worries. You will need half a cup of arrowroot powder, a 1/4 cup of cornstarch, and 2 tablespoons of baking soda. Mix all of that together really well, and then you will add bergamot and patchouli, a drop or 2 at a time, and whisk as you go. You will want a total of 30 drops bergamot and 5 drops patchouli. Make sure to break up any clumps that may have formed. Store in an airtight container and use after a bath or shower or any time you need a little pampering. With these simple uses and incredible benefits, you can see why bergamot's a favorite.